Welcome to GC Wealth Solution, where we delve into the depths of financial wisdom to empower couples like you to navigate the journey of marriage and money. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to explore the intricacies of managing finances as a couple, providing you with actionable strategies and insightful advice to foster financial harmony and achieve your shared goals. So grab a seat, grab your partner, and let's embark on this enriching journey together. Section 1. Understanding your financial value. Aligning your financial goals. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of budgeting and investments, it's crucial to align your financial goals as a couple. Take some time to sit down together and discuss your individual values, aspirations, and priorities. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a house, or planning for retirement, understanding each other's perspectives lays the foundation for a strong financial partnership. Share dreams and aspirations. What are your dreams as a couple? Do you envision traveling the world, starting a family, or pursuing a passion project together? By sharing your dreams and aspirations, you can identify common goals that resonate with both of you, fueling your motivation to work towards them. Remember, a shared vision is the driving force behind your financial journey. Financial values and beliefs. Our attitudes towards money are shaped by our upbringing, experiences, and cultural background. Take some time to reflect on your financial values and beliefs, considering how they influence your spending habits, saving behaviors, and attitudes towards risk. By understanding and respecting each other's financial perspectives, you can navigate potential conflicts with grace and empathy. Section 2. Budgeting basics. Creating a joint budget. Now that you've established your financial goals and opened up the lines of communication, it's time to create a joint budget. Start by listing all your sources of income and expenses, categorizing them into fixed (EA), G, rent, utilities, and variable (E), G, dining out, entertainment, costs. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and emergency funds, ensuring you're prepared for any unexpected expenses that may arise. The power of compromise. Budgeting requires compromise, as you balance your individual wants and needs with your shared financial goals. Be willing to make sacrifices and prioritize what matters most to you as a couple. Whether it's cutting back on discretionary spending, renegotiating bills, or finding creative ways to increase your income, every little effort counts towards achieving financial success. Tracking your expenses. Tracking your expenses is essential for staying on top of your budget and identifying areas where you can save money. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending habits, categorize your expenses, and set realistic spending targets. Regularly review your budget together and make adjustments as needed to stay on track towards your financial goals. Section 3. Investing for the future. Diversifying your portfolio. Building wealth requires a strategic approach to investing, and diversification is the name of the game. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds, to minimize risk and maximize returns. Consider your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals when crafting your investment strategy, seeking guidance from a trusted financial advisor if needed. The power of compound interest. One of the most powerful forces in finance is compound interest, which allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Start investing early and consistently contribute to your retirement accounts, taking advantage of employer matches and tax-deferred savings opportunities. Even small contributions today can snowball into a substantial nest egg tomorrow, providing you with financial security in your golden years. Planning for retirement. Retirement may seem like a distant dream, but it's never too early to start planning for your golden years. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401(k), S, and IRAs, and contribute regularly to ensure a comfortable retirement lifestyle. Factor in inflation, healthcare costs, and any potential lifestyle changes when estimating your retirement needs, adjusting your savings rate accordingly. Section 4. Navigating financial challenges. Dealing with debt. Debt can be a major source of stress for couples, but with careful planning and discipline, you can conquer it together. Prioritize high-interest debt, such as credit cards, and develop a repayment plan that fits within your budget. Consider consolidating your debts or negotiating with creditors to lower your interest rates and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Strategies for debt repayment. There are several strategies you can use to tackle your debt and regain control of your finances. Whether you choose the avalanche method, paying off high-interest debt first, or the snowball method, paying off small debts first for quick wins, the key is to stay disciplined and focused on your goal. Celebrate your progress along the way and keep each other accountable for sticking to your repayment plan. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, providing you with peace of mind and protection against unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account or money market fund, ensuring you're prepared for job loss, medical emergencies, or other financial setbacks. Start small and gradually increase your emergency fund over time, prioritizing consistency and resilience. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the intricacies of marriage and money, remember that financial success is not measured by the size of your bank account, but by the strength of your partnership. By aligning your goals, communicating openly, and working together towards a common vision, you can build a solid foundation for a lifetime of shared prosperity. Thank you for joining us at JC Wealth Solution, and until next time, stay financially empowered.